Can Daddy have his plate? Don't fall. Get away from Daddy's plate. Daddy's trying to enjoy his dinner. Daddy's trying to enjoy his dinner.
Sorry, here, hold on. Just, sorry, hold on. Sorry.
Just stop being a beast. The Chronicles of the Beast. He seems so sweet on camera, but he's not. All he wants to do is take your plate. You have to feed the beast.